Want to market your product online without spending money on ads? I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to market your business online for free using simple but powerful strategies that work. And make sure you stay to the end because number 5 is the most important. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just coming across this page for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, please give this video a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So let's dive into what we have for today. The first thing you have to do is to optimize your social media page. As a business owner, you need to be online because there are millions of people online. So, and if your online page is looking anyhow, people will not want to patronize you. They will feel you're not professional. So the first thing you have to do is to make your social media page look professional. So how do we make our social media page look professional? You have to use a clear profile picture. You don't have to go and start using all these stickers or whatsoever for your profile picture. You need a clear profile picture. You can either use your professional photo or your logo as your profile picture, and also write a compelling bio. Make sure your bio is telling people what you actually do, not when they get to your page they don't know what you do. And also add a link so that they can contact you. You put a link, you can use Linktree or WhatsApp business so that people can contact you directly. Use a clear call to action so that people can reach you without struggling. Number 2, you have to use content marketing instead of just selling. Nobody wants to see buy from me, always posting buy this from me, buy that from me. Be strategic about your posting. Use content marketing. Tell people what they will benefit from buying this particular thing from you, and you will see them coming to buy that stuff from you because you're not the only one selling it. There are other people selling it. Make your own, tell your own story and make your products unique. You can use engaging content like educational content, entertaining content, story time, there are so many ways to market yourself using content market. You can also post testimonials, behind the scene, use trending sounds, and in general just use content to market your product. Number 3, leverage TikTok and Instagram reels. You see, shorts, they are fast ways to go viral in 2025. So if you want to make your business go viral, TikTok and Instagram reels generally gives you massive exposure. So here are some video ideas you can use to create. You can do a before and after of your product, customer testimonial just like your content. You can do tutorials about your business. You see people would message you from there wanting to find out more. And make sure you use trending sounds and captions. You can jump on trends to go viral. Diving into number 4, which is engage and network. Don't just post and go. When people comment on your post, make sure you reply to their DM. You're not one big celebrity that cannot reply to everyone, so make sure you reply to their comments and also their DMs. You can also comment on posts of bigger brands and influencers in your niche. Engage with your audience using Instagram short posts or stories, and you can also DM potential customers, and don't just DM them telling them to buy from you. You can tell them that you would help them solve a particular problem. And the most important one is using WhatsApp and Facebook groups. You look for related groups to your niche and start posting your business, but you need to post strategically so that it not be as if you're spamming the group. So you look for niche related groups and post your products there. Share your product strategically and help them solve problems, and you see people DMing you wanting to buy from you or wanting to know more about the problem that you're helping them solve. If you enjoy watching this video or you learned something new today, please leave your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.